This 34-piece glass storage collection gives you a generous mix of round, square, and rectangular containers, plus small sauce cups, so it is easy to match the size to whatever you are storing or packing. The containers are made from sturdy borosilicate glass that feels solid in the hand and holds up well to everyday use in the oven, microwave, freezer, and dishwasher when the lids are removed. Airtight, snap-locking lids with removable silicone gaskets do an excellent job of keeping meals fresh and preventing leaks in a work bag or school backpack. Because the pieces stack neatly and the clear glass makes contents visible at a glance, the set helps keep both the refrigerator and pantry more organized. The containers work equally well for advanced meal preparation, leftover storage, and portioning lunches, so one set can cover most daily food storage needs for a household. Overall, this is a thoughtfully designed, versatile system that replaces a jumble of mismatched plastic tubs with safer, better-looking glass that you will actually want to use on a daily basis.